I'm here for cooperation. That declaration from Rex Tillerson, the Secretary of State for the United States, following a meeting with Prime Minister Andrew Holness during his brief visit to Jamaica.
It was Mr. Tillerson's last stop on his four-nation tour of the hemisphere. The visit comes at a time when United States President Donald Trump has continued to rock the globe with controversial utterances and policies.
As TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports, trade, energy security and CARICOM were some of the talking points during the meeting.
Rex Tillerson, the Secretary of State for the United States, arriving at the office of the Prime Minister for a brief working visit to Jamaica. The backdrop, a president in the form of Donald Trump, threats at the United Nations before the vote on Jerusalem.
The United States will remember this day.
We're watching those votes. Let them vote against us. We'll save a lot. We don't care.
And media reports that the U.S. president has labeled Haiti and Africa as blank hole countries. But on Wednesday, Secretary Tillerson sidestepped any references to those events with this declaration.
I'm here to reinforce the partnership and how we view the partnerships with Jamaica, but also with the entire Caribbean region.
But with the threat at the United Nations still fresh on the minds of many, questions were raised about the U.S.'s position on providing aid to developing countries. Secretary Tillerson made reference to the State of the Union address by Mr. Trump.
We need to undertake a re-examination of how the United States provides aid around the world globally. And not just for this particular issue, but more broadly in terms of, as we provide significant assistance to countries, are these countries that align with our values?
Other talking points with Jamaica: energy security, broadening trade between the United States and CARICOM, correspondent banking issues, and things that affect small countries such as natural disasters.
We're strengthening security cooperation in order to more effectively combat transnational organized crime.
We appreciate the government of Jamaica has made important progress combating the lotto scams, cooperating closely with U.S. authorities to extradite suspected lotto scammers to the United States and establishing a bilateral lotto scam task force.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.